front of me is Black Shark Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app that's already on your device and launch it. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Voice Quality to pick the best one for you by clicking on it. Now, to start recording, tap on the red button at the bottom left corner and hit Allow. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same left button, but to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now, you can play your recording by clicking play button. You can discard it by choosing discard, or you can end it and save it by hitting save. Then to access it, tap on this button with three lines on the right when recorder is off. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. But to delete it, hold it. Now, if you for sure you want to delete it, just tap on bin button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!